Have you ever made something and realized that maybe you need to take it apart and redo it? It's just not going to work? Well, that's us today with this original chicken coop we built. So we built the chicken pen and realized we can't get in and out of it. And now that the chicks are getting bigger, we need to have a way to get in it, as well as the chicken coop. So today we're going to show you how we're going to take it apart and start all over. Welcome to American Roots. Joe had started by taking off the lid. We are going to just take this apart and use the pieces that we've already created to create a bigger coop that meets what we need for our beautiful ladies. I'm gonna cut the chicken wire so that I can get that board off. There's a lot of things about this particular coop that I liked. The boxes were one of them, and so the perches were another, and we really want to try to save as much material and reuse it because, let's face it, materials are expensive. Taking the coop apart proved to be a little bit more challenging. We had screwed it to the lattice that was attached to the wall. There was just a lot of things that we were challenged with, especially if you're trying to reuse materials. If you were just trying to destroy it and get rid of it, that's one thing. But when you're trying to actually reclaim used materials, you want to make sure you're taking them apart in a usable fashion. And this gave Joe an opportunity to use the tools that he doesn't really get a chance to use these days. The chickens are sticking their head through the chicken wire to get the grass. I would say if the chickens can stick their head through, mice, small predators, anything can get through there. So this is one of the reasons why we are going to switch to hardware cloth. Their whole head is in there. She's got her whole head fitting through there. And there's grass over by their food bin. Why are they eating the grass outside of their pen? We bought them freeze-dried mealworms. And they love them. You like your mealworms, ladies? Give them something to scratch for while they're out here playing around. Little Espresso seems like she likes them. Our freedom birds. One more step to self-sustainability and freedom. It seems so funny something as simple as a chicken can symbolize so much. Now, a week or so ago, they wouldn't even touch the mealworms. Well, I think that's going to do it for us. We got the coop taken apart. We stacked it so we can decide what we need to use and what we need to buy. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. And until next time, we pray you're blessed. We'll see you soon.